Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow location permission on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next we scroll down and then tap on apps. In here, tap on the more button at the top, or the option button. From the pop-up, select permission manager. Then in permission manager, scroll down and tap on location. In here, go down the list and select an app that you want to allow or deny permission. So I'm going to tap on Bixby Voice. In here you can see we can choose allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or ask every time. So if you choose ask every time, then I'm going to choose don't allow anyway. So if you choose ask every time you're trying the app trying to access location, it will try to ask for your approval. Or you can choose don't allow. So select whether you want to allow or don't allow, and then tap on the back key, and that's it. That is how you can allow or deny apps permission to location. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.